Ready to open the hood? Usetool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You can find the bulk clutch cable used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and under the link in the description. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. To carry out this operation, you have to remove the battery. To do this, we recommend watching the video How to Replace the Car Battery Peugeot 206 1.4 HDI. You'll now need to remove the battery tray. Take a socket wrench, an extender and a 10mm socket and unscrew the 3 screws holding the tray. Unclip the electrical connectors on the battery tray. Next, using a small socket wrench and a 10mm socket, unscrew the nut holding the plastic tray relay box. Disengage the relay from the battery tray. You can now remove the battery tray assembly. Using a pry bar, detach the clips from the cable sleeves attached to the metal holder on the battery tray. Using a socket wrench, an extender and a 13mm socket, unscrew the 4 screws holding the battery tray holder. Then remove the mount. Loosen the stud bolts on the driver's side wheel. Lift the front of the vehicle. We strongly suggest watching the tutorial, raising your vehicle safely before carrying out this step. Place the vehicle on the axle stands. To change the clutch cable on your vehicle, you will have to remove the wheel to gain full access. Don't forget to slide it under the vehicle. As you slide under the vehicle, you can see the clutch cable holder and the clutch release fork. Pull the end of the clutch cable out of the clutch release fork. Then remove the cable from the cable holder. Now it's time to get inside the car behind the clutch pedal. Pump on the clutch pedal and use Needlenose pliers to hold the clutch cable in place. When you release the pedal, you can pull the cable out of the sway bar link. You can now see how the system works and what to do in these images. Using a flathead screwdriver, press on the retaining lug on the plastic part of the clutch cable that allows the cable to remain in position in the cabin. Next, using a pry bar, repeat the same operation on the upper stud. From the engine compartment, pull on the cable to extract it. Then remove it completely from the wheel well.
Okay, guys, if we can share this video with you and help you save a lot of money, is also thanks to our partner, Mr. Auto. So, if you want to support us and buy the parts for this operation, visit their website. Okay, back to work.
You will find the bulk parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Take the new clutch cable. Install it from the engine compartment. Push it into the cabin so that the studs lock into position. Push on the cable to pull it out of the cabin side. Hold it in place with the pliers. Then put the sway bar link back in place. Installing the cable in the fork and in the clutch cable holder can be difficult. The simplest method is to first place the end of the cable on the clutch release fork. Then, by pulling on the cable, insert it into the clutch cable holder. This may take some time. Your new clutch cable is now in place. Check that the clutch pedal works properly and that the gears shift smoothly. Then you can put the wheel back on your vehicle and put it back on the ground. Put the metal holder of the battery tray back in place. Then screw it back on. Clip the clips of the cable sleeve attached to the metal holder of the battery tray back on. Put the battery tray back in place. Put the relay box back in place. Then screw it back on. Clip the electrical connectors back onto the tray. Then screw the battery tray back on. Reinstall the battery. To do this, we recommend watching the video How to Replace the Car Battery Peugeot 206 1.4 HDI. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from Usetool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.